want to talk more about your daily habits in English? Do you want to ask simple questions like a native speaker? Hi friends, it's Victoria here again. Welcome back to TalkiCast. I'm so happy you're here today because we have a fun lesson ahead. We will learn how to ask and answer simple questions using the verb do. This helps you talk about your everyday life, your likes, and your habits. It's super important for English beginners like you. Let's take it step by step. Part 1. How to ask questions with do. When you want to ask someone about what they do, what they like, or their habits, you use do at the beginning of the sentence. It's like a special word for questions. The simple rule is do plus I, you, we, they plus main verb. For example, do you eat breakfast? Do you like music? Do you play football? Do they live near here? It's easy, right? You just put do at the very beginning. Practice idea. Let's try saying the simple question starters with me. Repeat after me. Do I? Do you? Do we? Do they? Great job! Do I? Do you? Do we? Do they? Quick tip. Try asking yourself right now, do I love learning English? I hope your answer is yes, I do. It's fun to practice, right? Part 2. Talking about what you do. Positive sentences. Now, when you want to answer these questions or just say what you do in a simple sentence, you don't use do. You just say subject plus verb. Easy. For example, I eat toast every morning. I work at home. I live in a small city. See? No extra words needed. Just who plus what they do. Practice idea. Think about your own day. What do you do every day? Try to say 3 simple sentences out loud. For example, you can say, I drink tea. I study English. I watch TV. Part 3. Talking about what you don't do. Negative sentences. What if you don't do something? It's simple. You use the word don't right before the main verb. Don't is a short way to say do not. So, the rule is subject plus don't plus main verb. For example, I don't eat cereal. I don't work in the city. I don't live near my school. See the word don't just before the action. It tells us no. Try this with me. I don't like coffee. I don't play tennis. I don't watch movies every day. You're doing great. Part 4. How to answer yes/no questions. When someone asks you a question with do, your answer can be very short and clear. No long stories needed. You just say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Do you work today? No, I don't. Quick tip. Remember, keeping your answers short and clear makes your English sound natural and strong. Don't say, yes, I am happy to be here today because it's sunny. Just say, yes, I am. Or in this case, yes, I do. Simple is strong. Bonus learning tip. Alright, let's talk about some extra tips to help you on your English journey. First, remember, you don't have to be perfect from day one. You don't need to know every difficult word. Just practice a little bit every single day. That's the secret. Watch shows with English subtitles. It helps you connect sounds and words. Repeat short phrases out loud. Your mouth needs practice too. Talk to yourself. Yes, it's true. It's not crazy, it's smart. It builds confidence. And most importantly, mistakes are part of learning. If you're not making mistakes, you're probably not learning. So go ahead, make them proudly. It means you're trying. Story time. My day. Hi, I'm Mia. Let me tell you about my day yesterday. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I eat toast and drink tea for breakfast. I don't eat cereal because I don't like it. After breakfast, I take the bus to school. I don't walk because the bus is faster and easier. At school, I study English. I ask my teacher, do we have homework today? She says, yes, you do. After school, I listen to music and watch a little TV. But I don't watch TV for a long time because I want to read a book. In the evening, I talk with my family. They ask me, do you like your school? I answer, yes, I do. I love my school and I work hard every day. Fantastic! You've learned some great new words from Mia's story. Now, to make these words really stick in your memory and help you use them naturally, let's see them in action. Get ready to watch some fun movie clips. Pay attention to the pronunciation and see them with subtitles. This is a super powerful way to learn. 20 key words. Wake up.
This is the real world, and you need to wake up. This is the real world, and you need to wake up.
Eat.
Bring your food over here and eat with me, okay? Bring your food over here and eat with me, okay?
Tell.
Put the order in and have someone tell Alan and Sarah that I'll be up when I'm done. Put the order in and have someone tell Alan and Sarah that I'll be up when I'm done.
Tea.
Here comes some tea. Here comes some tea.
Cereal.
I'm eating cereal. I'm eating cereal.
Bus.
Yo bus is already out. Yo bus is already out.
Walk.
It's pretty hard to walk away from. It's pretty hard to walk away from.
School.
Go to school, boys. Go to school, boys.
Study.
Study all the works of William Shakespeare. Study all the works of William Shakespeare.
Teacher.
My teacher. My teacher.
Homework.
I can't believe that bitch gave me homework. I can't believe that bitch gave me homework.
Music.
All I'm saying is that classical music isn't for everyone. All I'm saying is that classical music isn't for everyone.
Watch.
You don't need to watch. You don't need to watch.
Lung.
He was in there a long time and little kids have small bladders. He was in there a long time and little kids have small bladders.
Read.
Well, if you read this story, we might find out. Well, if you read this story, we might find out.
Book.
I like the good book better. I like the good book better.
Family.
I handle money, family remains safe. I handle money, family remains safe.
Like.
Because I would like to make you a homemade dinner. Because I would like to make you a homemade dinner.
Work.
We know what's gonna work. We know what's gonna work.
Ask.
You wouldn't ask me to do that. You wouldn't ask me to do that.
So, that's it for today, my awesome student. You did a great job. Now, you can confidently ask simple yes-no questions with do, talk about your habits, and answer clearly. Remember, every do you use, every question you ask brings you closer to your English goals. This is just the beginning of your journey to English fluency. Stick with us, and little by little, English will feel natural to you. No stress, no pressure, just progress. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, subscribe to TalkiCast, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next lesson. Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning.